don't know if you can hear me. Okay, so today we'll be doing our normal market analysis in the market to set our traps and know if the ones that we already set are being triggered or good. You understand? So let's go into the market, and this is what we have. We'll be using our basic indicator for this. Okay, this is what we have for DJ. I'm going to do this more. We're doing our pure market analysis from the beginning to be able to figure out what we really want in GJ. And this is what we have in GJ. Let's go to our daily time frame. In our daily time frame, you can see price already gave us a break of structure to the downside, and price is already reacting off a main important zone. This is our main important resistance area, or you can also call it, this is the origin that caused this particular break of structure. This is the origin here, and price is already at that particular origin. So what do we need to do after that? Let's move down to our 4-hour time frame to get some good market clue in what we will be expecting. Now, sorry for the way I talk. In our 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Oh, we're still bullish in our 4-hour time frame. Okay, a break of structure to the downside, a change of character, or we call this a liquidity sweep, a new change of character, a break of structure, and a change of character that pushes price from this particular area up to this particular place. Up to this particular place. So with seeing this, what's going on? I deleted the wrong one. Our origin. Now let's refine it. Let's refine it down. Remember, liquidity resides in our day high and in our day low. That's where liquidity resides. So liquidity is residing here and also residing here. Let's be conscious of what we are doing, you understand? So watch me closely. These two areas is where liquidity are residing as it stands now. So after refining this down, you can see from the current market structure, we still have this origin that is yet to be mitigated. These are 4-hour origin. We still have this origin that is yet to be mitigated. Okay. Remember, we are now trying to be in a bearish form because price already created a big break of structure to the downside. We are trying to be in a bearish movement. So in a 2-hour time frame, what do we have in a 2-hour time frame? Price already reacted off this particular place. If this particular man is being get from the daily time frame, we'll be waiting for our 4-hour confirmation. So in our 4-hour confirmation, because this particular origin is getting from the daily time frame, we need price to create a change of character to the downside before giving us a clear clue that we are already going down. But apart from that, we'll still be buying. Mitigating this down. Okay. Double bottom. Liquidity area. Liquidity residing below here. Daily low. Liquidity is residing there. Daily high, liquidity is residing there. So apart from that, you have so many double bottoms here, which liquidity is also residing there. We have this origin that causes this particular break of structure. This break of structure, this is the origin that causes it. Okay. 2-hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. What do you have? You are mitigating this. Okay, it's still there, and you can see clearly our liquidity area. This price is still going to sweep and tap us in here. Okay, if price should break here below like this, break this man below, then we're sweeping this liquidity over here and we're tapping over here before going up here, or before just doing what, before selling. But if we change into our 4-hour time frame and we see a break of structure to the downside, then we need to start selling. We're just waiting for a confirmation from our 4-hour time frame, remember. But our 4-hour time frame is not yet to confirm that yes, it's time for the sellers to take over. But in the daily time frame, the sellers are already taking over. But in the 4-hour time frame, the sellers aren't yet taking over. So now, after marking this out, let's go down to a 30-minute time frame. In the 30-minute time frame, refining this, you can also see this is a fair value gap to show a big concern about this particular area. This is a fair value gap. We should have been taking our entry from here, but no, using our Fibonacci tool, that is not in the discount area. So 15-minute time frame, let's see. Now 15-minute time frame, if for a quick scalping, can quickly sell, start selling from here. As quick as that, you can start selling from here. Okay, this is a counter trading, not a full-time 100% sure trade. Just a counter trade. The stop loss should be tight. You don't need the risks. Don't risk much. Don't risk much. The stop loss should be tight. Okay, guys, let's set it. Let's concentrate down into this particular man. This is a sell limit, and our entry is 12,943. Our stop loss, which is very important, is 123.081. Our TP is 1212.201. Let's place it. Okay, that is a sell for us, a sell limit for us. If price should sweep this liquidity, there's a liquidity residing here, don't forget that. We are taking that liquidity out, we are selling from here, and once we are in this particular area, we will be buying again from here. We're buying again from here up to this particular place. Stop loss located below here. Do you understand? Okay, what else are we going to be looking at? In our setup in GJ, in AUD, this was our yesterday setup in AUD, and the price hasn't mitigated that already. This is a break of structure in our 15-minute time frame. Is that a valid break of structure? It's a very big of structure in a 30 minutes time frame. From the 4 hour time frame, not yet. That's not yet a valid break. Okay, we have our first origin here and our second origin here. This origin is being created down in the normal time frame. Okay. Now 2 hour time frame, what do you have for a 2 hour time frame? A new break of structure here. 1 hour time frame. You can see this as our new origin. This can serve as our new origin here now in our 1 hour time frame. 15-minute time frame, let's take this out. Price can be able to only react from here itself and push to the downside, you understand? These are 30-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, the same thing. So we will do in AUD, we'll be looking for confirmation, a sell confirmation. That's what we'll be looking for, a sell confirmation, which means price will need to break here below. If price break here below, then we'll be looking for a confirmation to do what? From any region, a confirmation to sell, because we are selling. We'll be looking for a confirmation to sell. If price should break this particular one below, this is a 5-minute time frame, then we'll be selling. So let's keep watching. Let's set our alert there. How's the alert not working? Okay, I think I'm going to set it with my smartphone if the alert is not working through here. Okay, as we said already, we're waiting for price to break here below. Then before we're looking for a moment to sell from our 5-minute time frame. UJ, I don't really understand this UJ now, assistance now. A new block of structure has been created. For our time frame, network is disturbing. No, let's do something. UJ. Hope you guys can hear me now. Now 2 hour time frame. Okay, a new block of structure. Defining it should be down here. This is our FVG over here. So this is our new point of interest in the market. You can see a lot of liquidity. This is a very risky game. A lot of liquidity. This is a very risky game. We're working with confirmations from here, because prices might see this liquidity and tap over and use this particular origin here. 1 hour time frame. We are still going with this. We are still going with this over here. All these are just noise. We are still going with this. 30 minutes. Okay. price is reacting off a price is reacting off this particular origin, or you can even want to call it supply or demand zone. What are we going to call it? Resistance area. Okay, that is it for now. That is it for now for UJ. If price can come down here below here, save this liquidity over here and give us a sharp entry from here with confirmation, because this is our main man over here. This is our main man over here with confirmation. Okay, yeah. Let's refine this to our entry time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame. We're entering into confirmation here. Okay, this is us. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.